As you know, Instagram lets you collaborate on posts with other people. Now, a question that comes to mind is, can we collaborate on a post with someone else after actually posting it? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. First, I want to show you what a video with other collaborators looks like on your profile. Let's say I'm on my Instagram page, and this post, I have actually collaborated with two other people. And as you can see on the top, you can see multiple profile pictures, and it says my username and two others. And if I tap on this, it says collaborators, and you can see their username, and you can go to their profile and do whatever you like. So let's say I want to add a collaborator to a post that I have already posted. Let's say this one. What I do is I tap on the three dots here, and from this menu, I choose Edit. And as you can see, I have the option on the top here. It says Add Collaborators. If I tap on that, it says I can invite collaborators. So I tap on that, and then I can just type someone's name. And then I tap Done. So what this does is that it actually invites my friend to collaborate with me on this post. As you can see here, it says my friend was invited to be a collaborator but hasn't accepted yet. So once he accepts, top here, it will say my username and my friend's username, and people will know that we have collaborated on this post together. And also, this post will be shared to his page. All of his followers will be able to see it and comment on it. And if you don't want this to happen, you can just easily undo it by tapping Edit and tapping on this one collaborator. And here there is this little cross icon. I can tap on it, and there are no collaborators on this post anymore. And then I can just tap Done, and everything just goes back to normal. Hope this helps, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips like this.